Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are doing a very interesting tutorial, I think, and that is the age-old question of dowels versus straws. Several people have very strong opinions on this subject, and I am one of them. I prefer dowels, and I will show you why. So let's get started.
This is a cake dowel. They come in varying thicknesses and are typically made of bamboo. The straws are thick milkshake straws made of plastic. Both are made to be used with food, so they're both food safe. The biggest question is the end-to-end strength. The dowel is the strongest, but the straw is also quite strong end-to-end. So strength-wise, they're a tie. Both will hold up a cake tier and keep a lower tier from collapsing. When it comes to cutting, though, there is a clear winner. Dowels can be cut with scissors, but you can see how difficult it is. There it goes. Dowels are quite difficult to cut through. In fact, I would recommend using garden shears instead. I have two lengths cut. I place them in the cake. And as you can see, they're really easy to see. It's a bit difficult cutting them the exact length you need, so they often stick up above the cake a touch. Straws, though, are super easy to cut. They're easy to just pull up a bit and cut them with any pair of scissors. No problem. And because they're so easy to cut, you can easily cut them the exact right length for your cake. Straws win, hands down, in ease of cutting. These straws are exactly flush to the cake. Perfect. So now we've placed both dowels and straws into the cake, and so far the straws seem to be easier. Both are able to hold a cake. So why do I prefer dowels? There's one more point I want to show you. Let's say we've now eaten the top tier and are ready to cut the bottom tier. Let's talk removal. The dowels come out without any problems. They're easy to see, easy to grasp, and easy to remove. Done. Now let's try to remove the straws. Here's where the straw is, but there's not enough substance in a straw to be able to grasp it to remove it. You can't grab it. It's near impossible to remove from the top of the cake. So how are you supposed to get it out? There's no other option. You have to cut it out. Cut the cake directly next to the straw. And now we can remove it. We have to do the same thing with the second straw. And now we have a ginormous cut in our cake, whether we wanted one or not. There's just no graceful way to remove the straws, unless you have some secret way of removing them that I don't know. If you do, leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. You decide which point is more important to you, ease of cutting or ease of removal. I choose removal and therefore prefer dowels, but if the ease of cutting is more important to you, feel free to use straws. It's all personal preference. But now you can make an informed decision. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing.